Literally only doing this because I'm getting paid. Otherwise, I would not do this idiotic, ridiculous thing. Got a fresh one for you. Who wants to be around a Nirvana hater? You know?
I'm Preston, sailing my 1988 Catalina 36 around the Pacific Northwest with my stupid cat. I have 3 teenagers and a few years left until freedom hits me like a rock in the face. Join me and my shenanigans as I learn the ropes and make plenty of mistakes, gearing up for the day I can sell all my crap and sail off into the sunset.
A shot to the gut that was meant from my heart. I can't stop.
Most people seem to hate working on toilets. I don't have a problem with it. I don't even put on gloves. These Raritan toilets, I think they're built better than the Jabscos. I've never had a Jabsco, but these Raritans, the seals, they only last maybe a year at the most if you're using your boat fairly regularly. And there's a bunch of different seals. There's a ball in one of here, whatever. I really only replace the 2 seals, the one you see there, and then the one where the poo actually goes through. The other seals never seem to have any real issue, so I just leave them in there. The repair kit comes with all these crazy seals and springs and other things. I never even look at them. I just replace these 2 seals and then the toilet works perfectly again. That lubricant stuff comes with the kit, and again, I don't have any problem with just getting in there and lubing it up. That's so gross. So we're leaving East Sound, lazy Genoa sailing. Gonna go to Blind Bay. The girls haven't been there yet this season. We're going to stock up on some water, hopefully. Teenagers. There is a hot teenage girl right next to us, and I can't tell if it's Olive's age or Kaya's age boy. And you guys are inside. They're outside swimming. That's why they're outside swimming. As you guys should be to meet some people. I don't even feel bad for you guys anymore. We're in Blind Bay again, and Tristan is on his way to the Lopez Landing where the ferry docks. There's a tiny little marina. He's heading over there to scope out to see if there's any place we can steal some water by the cover of darkness and maybe offload some garbage. And he's going the wrong way. Olive, Nirvana would have never paddleboarded. I hope no one sees you. Ugh, that'd be terrible.
Olive is too boring. You're not going to get anything good out of this.
Oh, I will. I offered her $100.
Yeah, I'll go. Bring it. That's the time I'm by myself. God. Literally only doing this because I'm getting paid. Otherwise, I would not do this idiotic, ridiculous thing. Just this book sucks. Like, Dad says this is his happy place, but it's not. Like, he's always grumpy on it. Like, he'll be happy for like 2.5 seconds and it's grumpy. Like, the hallways are like thin, you know? And like, you'll try to pass someone on it, and you can't, because if it's one person, and you try to pass Dad, and he'll go, move! For what? Where am I supposed to go, you know? And like, he's a Nirvana hater. Who wants to be around a Nirvana hater? You know?
Continue.
Earning your money, Olive.
Nuh-uh. Oh, Kaya, stop. I'll fling one at you. Yeah, stop recording. Get a fresh one for you. Actions. Kaya, stop.
Olive.
Stop.
Dad told her to.
And?
Olive, chop.
That's a thumbnail right there. Olive,
Excuse me.
the sooner you get done.
That's time.
Patrick wants you to do it.
What if he has to go to the bathroom, Olive?
Sucks to be him.
Hi. I win. So we were going to go to Rosario and see about grabbing a buoy, but then we thought, wait a minute, we only have like another full week out here before we have to start heading back home. And we really wanted to go to the Mexican restaurant in East Sound. So we're just going to go back to East Sound, anchor there again, and make a 4-mile walk, probably hitchhike to the lake today. And then tonight, the latest reservation they had was 8 p.m. So it should be really cool outside with the lights on and stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. It's a good thing I super trust my anchor this year. Doesn't look like it up here on the beach, but it's 15 knots out there. That's more than I like anchoring in. We're walking from town all the way to Cascade Lake. It's 4 to 5 miles. It's basically at the top of the first little hill you see there. See, all these people had to pay like $5 to park here. We saved $5. Olive's so happy. And that's Olive enjoying herself.
A single kayak for an hour is $21.
Jeez.
For 4 hours, it's $68.
Jeez.
A double one is $28 for an hour, and then $86, I think, for 4 hours. Single canoe.
Well, we aren't doing that.
Yeah.
Olive's so emo. After an 8-mile round trip, how good is that Mexican food going to be, Olive?
Meh.
It's going to be meh.
This sounds better.
Tomorrow night.
The camera.
Yeah, if Olive knows I'm recording, she won't say anything. Am I also going to get one tonight? Oh yes. 2. We got the latest reservations they had, 8 p.m. So it's going to be a little brutal waiting. It's only like 6 o'clock now. But the ambiance should be awesome. Should be outside sitting. All the lights on. Super looking forward to that after that long walk. If anyone else thinks about doing that, the lake is super worth it. There's a food shack, ice cream shack up there. They can take credit cards there, even though I have no service. And the walk along the road, it's not terribly busy, and almost all of it, one of the shoulders has enough for you to scoot over enough so you don't fear death too much from a car. Boat is looking so hobo-y, I love it.